Today, I'll show you how to create a slow pan effect on your video or photo. This is great for adding gentle motion to still footage and making your edits look cinematic. First, import your clip into the timeline and tap on it to select it. Then, open the pan and zoom tool from the right-hand editing menu. By default, the start and end frames are linked, which means no movement happens. To add motion, tap the link icon to unlink them. Now, set your start frame. For example, you might place it on the left side of the scene, then move to the end frame and drag the video in the preview window towards the right side. When you play it back, the clip will slowly pan from left to right. You can do the same for up and down movements depending on the look you want. Once you're satisfied, tap the check mark to save your effect, and that's it. You've just created a smooth, slow pan effect in KineMaster. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more KineMaster editing tips.